Ryan Tubridy and Kevin Backhurst have clashed over the former Late Late Show presenter's demand to see files from the RTÉ scandals. The RTÉ Director General raised the issue directly with Mr Tubridy in a private meeting. Tubridy and his agent Noel Kelly are appealing RTÉ's refusal to give them documents in response to a very straightforward query. But RTÉ disagrees that Tubridy and agent Noel Kelly are entitled to more material. Tubridy and his best friend and agent are still pursuing a legal route to obtain files from RTÉ about them during the summer of scandals. The pair are seeking information surrounding internal communications from June to August 2023. The data request was made in November 2023 following Tubridy's departure from Montrose. RTÉ released some, but not all, documents in March 2024, but Tubridy and Kelly weren't satisfied with the reasons for rejecting the rest of the request and appealed to the data watchdog in April 2024. The matter has been bouncing over and back between RTÉ and the Data Protection Commissioner for the past 2 years, which partly explains mounting legal costs. Both sides differ on the impasse over the demand to see the scandal files. Backhurst admits bringing up the data request over coffee with Tubridy late last year. This issue and other issues were raised and discussed during the private meeting, an RTÉ spokesperson said. In response to the data access request, RTÉ has provided material requested by solicitors on behalf of Ryan Tubridy and Noel Kelly at a substantial cost in excess of €100,000. The issue that remains outstanding is that they believe they are entitled to more material, and RTÉ disagrees. But the Tubridy camp has a different interpretation. This is now a matter for the Data Protection Commission, which is examining RTÉ's response to what was a very straightforward query, and we look forward to their decision on this matter, a spokesperson for the solicitors representing Kelly and Tubridy said.